Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can place the book you have published in your house in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. I just got a quest to publish my book and I've already published the book. And wait, let me show you my level. Okay, this is my current level. And I have just got a quest to publish my book. And just in case if you want to equip your book, I make a tutorial to show you how we can do it. Okay, you need to go to your backpack and then you will see the book you have published right here. Okay, this is my book, and then I'm going to click on this icon. Okay, and then we need to place the book. Okay, I'm going to place it on this table and then click on the check mark. Okay, and this is my book and I can open it. Okay guys, and that's how we can publish the book we have published in our house in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.